Okay, it's yet another time with me, Teacher Kamanga. So, in physics today, we're going to look at the question which was extracted from the past paper for GCE 2022, section B, question number 1. This question is coming from the topic weight and mass. Okay, so the question states an object of mass 75 kg on Earth is taken to the moon where the gravitational field strength is 1.6 newtons per kg. So the first question is saying what is the mass of the object on the moon? What is the mass of the object on the moon? So we need to understand the difference between mass and weight. So one of the differences is that mass does not change according to place, but weight is the one that changes according to different places. So we understand even when you get a 25 kg minimum bag from Earth, you take it to the moon, it will still remain 25 kg because the mass does not change. So this gives us a clue here on our answer to say the answer here will still remain the same, 75 kg, because mass does not change according to places. So we have 75 kg as our answer in this case. Our justification is that mass does not change according to different places, but weight changes because of the difference in the gravitational field strength. Okay, then we come to B. We're saying calculate the weight of the object on the moon. Calculate the weight of the object on the moon. So we need to understand to say weight is equals to mass times gravity. Weight is equals to mass times gravity. So that must be understood. Now, that said, we also need to understand to say the mass we've been given, which is 75 kg. Okay, 75 kg. So times the gravity in this case, which is the gravitational field strength. So on Earth, the gravitational field strength is 10 newtons, while on the moon is 1.6 newtons. So here we're going to use 1.6. The reason is simple because this is on the moon, so we use the gravitational field strength of the moon. Okay, so we're going to multiply 75 times 1.6 newtons per kg. So when you multiply 75 times 1.6 newtons per kg, it will give you 120 newtons, because we understand weight is measured in newtons. So this is going to be our answer, 120 newtons. So what is very important in this case is that we need to understand the differences between weight and mass, and also their formulas. They're important because will give us an idea to say which gravitational field strength we're going to use, and also at which point do we need to use on the Earth and also on the moon. So the question was very direct to say the weight on the moon. That's why we had to use the 1.6. Okay, let's come to our next question, which is saying give two differences between mass and weight. The differences between mass and weight. So like I've said, the first one, we're going to say mass does not change. According to places, while weight changes from place to place. So this is very simple, because when you look at weight, it changes according to place from place due to the change in the gravitational field strength. So this is very straightforward. Okay, then also when you look at mass, is measured by using a beam balance. Beam balance or electronic balance or those, while weight is measured we are told to, but we should not be limited in terms of the answers that we have. So you can differentiate in terms of their SI units. Mass is measured in kilograms, while weight is measured in newtons. That's also going to be a difference. So you can differentiate them based on the instrument they used to be measured with, based on the change in terms of place, and also in terms of their SI units. So it's very, very important that we should be able to know how we're going to be differentiating mass and weight. So this has been a simple revision that we've just done. I encourage you to look for more questions that comes from mass and weight, so that you should be able to see how different questions can be phrased in this order. So it has been me, Teacher Kamanga, with you. Don't forget to subscribe so that you should be able to get more videos, and also don't forget to put your notifications on so that each time I post a video you're going to be updated and you're not going to miss. I encourage you to study. All the best in your studies.